So in exercise 1.3 we have given 3 sums as homework. Now we are going to the fourth one. A graph representing the function f of x is given in figure 1.16. So this is this graph. It is clear that f of 9 equal to 2. First part. Find the following values of function. F of 0, f of 7, f of 2 and f of 10. Second part. For what value of x is f of x equal to 1? Third part. Describe the following. Domain, range. Fourth part. What is the image of 6 under f? Now we are going to the solution of first part. F of 0 equal to, if x value is 0, then what is y value? It is 9. What is f of 7? If x value is 7, then what is y value? It is 6. So our f of 7 is 6. What is f of 2? So if x is 2, then y value is 6. It is cutting 6. So our f of 2 is 6. Then what is f of 10? If x value is 10, it is cutting at 0. So our f of 10 is 0. For what value of x is f of x equal to 1? It is asked that if y value is 1, then what is x value? So you can see this is 1 and it crosses approximately 9.5 at x-axis. So our x is approximately 9.5. So our next part is domain and range. Domain is x, where x is greater than or equal to 0 and smaller than or equal to 10, and x belongs to rational numbers. And our range is x, where x is greater than or equal to 0 and smaller than or equal to 9, and x belongs to rational numbers. So our x starts from 0 and ends in 10, and y starts from 0 and ends in 9. This is the domain and range values. What is the image of 6 under f? So we are asked to find f of 6. Where it cuts in the y-axis, it approximately cuts at number 5. So our f of 6 is 5. So our next question is number 5. Let f of x equal to 2x plus 5. If x is not equal to 0, then we have to find f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 by x. So our f of x plus 2 will be equation number 1 and f of 2 will be equation number 2. So first we are going to find equation number 1. So our f of x is 2x plus 5. So if we substitute x plus 2 value in the place of x, then we get 2 into x plus 2 plus 5. That is 2x plus 4 plus 5. So our first equation is 2x plus 9. So our equation number 2 is f of 2 equal to 2 into 2 plus 5, that is 4 plus 5. So our equation number 2 is 9. So when we do this, that is f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 by x, we will substitute the values of equation 1 and 2 here. So 2x plus 9 minus 9 by x, that is equal to 2x by x. When we cancel it, we get 2. So our sixth question is, a function f is defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 3. So our first part is to find f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. Second part, find x such that f of x equal to 0. Third part, find x such that f of x equal to x. Fourth part, find x such that f of x equal to f of 1 minus x. So our solution of first part, f of x equal to 2x minus 3, this is given in the question. So first part is, we have to find f of 0 and f of 1. F of 0 is 2 into 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. f of 1 is 2 into 1 minus 3, that is minus 1. So when we add it and divide it by 2, we get minus 3 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to minus 4 by 2, that is equal to minus 2. So our second part, f of x equal to 0, we have to find the x value. So 2x minus 3, that is f of x equal to 0. 2x equal to, this 3 will go that side, so it is plus 3, x equal to 3 by 2. Then our third part, f of x equal to x. We have to find the x value. 2x minus 3 equal to x, and this x will come this side and this minus 3 will go that side. Now 2x minus x equal to 3 and x equal to. So next our fourth part, f of x equal to f of 1 minus x. So we are substituting the f of x value here, 2x minus 3, and that is equal to, when we substitute 1 minus x in the value of x, then we get 2 into 1 minus x minus 3, that is 2x minus 3 equal to 2 minus 2x minus 3, that is equal to 2x minus 3 equal to minus 2x minus 1. So this 2x will come this side and this minus 3 will go that side, then we will get 4x minus 2 equal to 0. That is 4x equal to 2 and x equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. So x equal to 1 by 2. Seventh question. An open box is to be made from a square piece of material 24 cm on a side by cutting equal squares from the corners and turning up the side shown in figure 1.17. We have to express the volume V of the box as function of x. First, this was a square. When we cut x distance, we got a cuboid. The length of the cuboid is 24 minus 2x and breadth is 24 minus 2x and our height is x. So the volume of the box equal to volume of cuboid, that is L into B into H. Our L is 24 minus 2x, breadth is 24 minus 2x and height is x. So that is, now we are multiplying these three. You get 576 minus 48x minus 48x plus 4x into x. 4x square into x. 576 minus 96x plus 4x square into x. That is, our volume is 4x cube minus 96x square plus 576x. We are not expressing it as a value, but we are expressing it as a function.